this is what we're left with. So it's Saturday, and this is what we have. This nasty mess. Not much fun. So basically, I don't really have a whole lot to film. There's a few things that we need to do today. Keep dropping my keys. A few things we got to do today. Nothing too incredibly special or anything. I've got a house that I want to go look at. New development where they're actually building houses. They're going to show me a house that's in the area, and then, you know, we'll kind of go from there. Maybe an option to have a house built for me. So that's going to be kind of exciting, but as you can see, I have to deal with the rain, so I don't know what the area is going to be like. It could be muddy. It's just going to be a big mess. But in the meantime, let's get some heat in the engine and see how she sounds. A little rough, a little rough. I love it though. It sounds great. So we're gonna run to the store. We're gonna get some breakfast, get something to drink, and get ready for our day. And we'll settle back up later on.